traditional solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode is about the young, beautiful, and non traditional Filipina who has lost their way in relationships. We live in a digital world, and for many, especially younger generations, social media isn't just part of life, it is life. But when a single Filipina becomes addicted to social media, the dream of lasting love can start to slip away. Not because she isn't beautiful, smart, or kind, but because her connection online becomes more important than the connection in front of her. Let's list why social media addiction can destroy a relationship before it even begins. Number 1. Validation becomes a drug. When every post gets flooded with a hearts, likes, and fire emojis, it can feel addictive. Compliments come in every hour, and suddenly, real world affection from a genuine partner feels less exciting than digital praise from strangers. Over time, she starts seeking attention, not intimacy, validation, not commitment. Number 2. Unrealistic standards from influencers. Social media paints a perfect picture: romantic vacations, perfect boyfriends, designer bags, soft life, goals. But here's the problem: it's filtered, fake, and unrealistic. In fact, she actually knows it. A regular guy offering love, effort, and stability may never compete with that fantasy. So she gets bored, thinks something better is out there, and forgets that real love is built, not scrolled. Number 3. Oversharing kills privacy and trust. Many social media addicted women feel the need to share every details of their relationship. Fights, jealousy, breakups, all broadcasted to their followers. This destroyed trust. It turns a private relationship into a public performance, and no man wants to feel like he's constantly under digital surveillance. Number 4. Addiction to the phone and emotional absence. When her phone gets more eye contact than her partner, problems grow. She may claim she's listening, but her mind is scrolling. Over time, her partner feels unseen, unheard, unimportant because love can't grow when one person is always half present. Number 5. DM, temptations, and digital flirting. Let's be honest. A pretty single Filipina online gets attention from local guys, foreigners, married men, and strangers. And if she can't resist the temptation to reply, loyalty starts to fade. She may not physically cheat, but emotional cheating through DMs is just as damaging. Some flirt for fun, but relationships die when the line between fun and disrespect gets crossed. Number 6. External approval replaces internal growth. Social media addiction often leads to insecurity masked as confidence. She posts filtered selfies every day, but deep down, she's craving approval, not pace. Instead of building her inner worth, she builds her followers. And when a healthy relationship demands patience, communication, or sacrifice, she often disappears because it's easier to post a quote than live it. Number 7. She's always available except to her partner. She replies to everyone, has time for followers, likes, trends, and challenges, but somehow never has time to respond to a serious message from her boyfriend. or to talk deeply about the future or to resolve a conflict. Her partner is starving for something she give away to the world. Number 8. Short attention span, short commitment. Social media rewards the brain to expect fast results, fun and no discomfort. It's messy and imperfect. When she is bored, she takes to social media for validation. Not every Filipina is addicted to social media. But if she is and does not possess awareness, she will always struggle in relationships. She will become run around so Filipina. The cure is actually consciousness. That is, if your Filipina has a conscience. Thank you for subscribing, donating, and watching my channel. We are family. Take care. See you next episode.